In this week's video, we're going to be taking a look at our first HO train set of 2024. This one is the Army HO Hospital train set by Lionel. This does come with easy, or supposedly easy, quick connect track, as well as full audio for the locomotive itself. I did have some trouble with the quick connect track, but you'll see that later on in the video. This set comes with the locomotive, tender, as well as 3 identical passenger cars, a full circuit of the easy quick connect track, as well as the controller for the locomotive itself, to control the speed and sounds. The track does connect really easily, so enjoy this quick montage. Please drop a like and subscribe, as it would really help our small channel out. And now let's go through all the audio prompts and get this train running.